see it says outdoor yoga over here. So we're inside the, have you started already? Okay, we're inside the Holiday Park Nature Center, and we're in here in front of the turtle tank. So it's interesting. And then it heads down this way over here. Habitat Holliday Club. We'll do a little walk through here. There's actually, okay, no. So here's, here things, display. Raccoon friend who's not living right now. This is walk forward. Isn't there? More turtles.
That is very aggressive.
I see the turtle.
Very It's very aggressive.
Really good for the kids, explains a little bit about the White River, Wow, this is cool. A bee colony. You ever wanted to see if a hive, an actual bee hive? That's a living hive. Now, I'm not sure these are all honeybees. I guess they're all honeybees. So you could see the honeycomb making in here. That's a lot of bees. That's a whole bee colony. Wow. Interesting. Or is that just that's just like a kid's lookout over there? Paintings. Aviary type. You'll see bird watching basically area. Yeah, so everyone, this is a bird watching station or area. You can see they will put that over here. They have books, you can look up the different types of birds.
I think they look like finches of some sort. Because they almost look like canaries, but they're not yellow.
So for all you bird watchers, come to Holiday Park and got a pretty good bird watching station. That pretty much because I think all down here is mainly just administrative offices where we came from before. Yeah. So pretty much, folks, that's the nature center. Now we're going to go out to the ruins, right? So if you want, in front of our raccoon friend, farewell until episode 5, where we show you the stone ruins here. Please like and subscribe. See you in the last and final episode. Bye-bye.